Google TV just got 14 new free TV channels. What you can watch now. More speed and storage for Google TV users. Google today has announced new TV channels for its Live tab in tandem with several updates to its TV operating system, OS, with a variety of enhancements that make its software even better to use. The upgrades made recently, like better storage optimization, streamlined speed through its on-device memory usage, and live TV updates, all will make Google TV far less stressful and easier to use. OpenAI working to have India presence. New Delhi. Ian's Sam Altman's OpenAI is reportedly working with ex-Twitter India head Rishi Jaitley to help the ChatGPT developer understand the Indian policies and regulations around AI and how to navigate those. According to a report in TechCrunch, Jaitley is working as a senior advisor with OpenAI to facilitate talks with the government about AI policy. Adobe Announces next-generation, Spectrum, design system, built for the future. With accessibility in mind, Adobe has unveiled a significant revamp to its Spectrum design system. The venerable San Jose-based software maker announced in a blog post published on Tuesday that the so-called Spectrum 2 design system involved the collaboration between over 100 Adobe employees, all of whom thought deeply about areas such as typography, color, data visualization, and yes, accessibility. Apple's new iPhone security setting keeps thieves out of your digital accounts. Apple's stolen device protection feature in the iOS 17.3 beta would require extra steps to access details on an iPhone. Share this story. Apple is making it harder for iPhone thieves to access your personal information if they get a hold of your device's passcode. As reported by The Wall Street Journal, Apple includes new stolen device protection in its iOS 17.3 beta that, when enabled, would require authentication through Face ID or Touch ID to perform certain actions. Instagram working on new privacy update. Control who sees your likes on posts. Reels. Instagram is on the verge of a new privacy update, giving users unprecedented control over who sees their liked posts and reels. This coming update promises to change how individuals curate their online presence, offering a new level of customization and privacy management. More about the Instagram feature. For new technology information, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share to all people. Thank you.